Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Riti Kumari and I am back with lecture number 5 on the OOP series, that is constructor and destructor, and today we would be looking in more depth about the default constructor. So in the last video we learnt about the types of constructor like default, parameterized and copy constructor. So constructor is basically a method which is being called whenever an object is being created from a class. So consider this is a class car, and whenever we are creating an object of this particular class car, the constructor is being called. So as we can see that there are three types of constructor: default, parameterized and copy. So let's look at the default constructor and understand via code as well ki how the default constructor is working. So yeah, this is default constructor. So basically a default constructor doesn't have any parameters. It is invoked at the time of creating object. So what does this particular line implies? So consider that this is a constructor. Okay, so constructor is basically same as the class name, and constructor doesn't have any kind of return type. Here if you want you can provide the parameters. So whenever we provide the parameters, it is parameterized constructor. Whenever we doesn't provide parameters or something which is being called as default is a default constructor. So basically this is the default constructor which is being called. So as you can see in the code, so here we have created a class car. Now as we can see, here we have called the constructor car cout car object created NL, and here in the int main we have created a object of this particular class car. So whenever this particular object of class car is called, the constructor is being called. So basically here you can see that we have written cout car object created. So it will basically print. The cout is basically used for the print purpose. So it will basically print car object is created whenever the program is being run. So when we run the program, we get the output as car object is created. So we can see whenever this class car is being called and object of this particular car class is created, the constructor is automatically called. So even if we don't declare it like this, the constructor is automatically created by the compiler. So we don't need a declaration for this, but we have used it here so that we can know that this particular object, car object created, is being printed on the screen and constructor is being called. So basically as you can see from this particular code snippet as well, so a default constructor you can see doesn't have any kind of parameters. It is always invoked whenever a object of any class is created, and it is it is not very useful for us, because see in the default constructor you are calling the class and you are just calling the constructor of the class. But whenever you create a class, consider I have created this class car, so you might give some of the properties to the class and some of the state variables. But whenever we call the default constructor, consider the constructor is being called and here the car object is created. So by default if there are any state variables, that would be having the value as null, and the properties would also. So by default the objects would be having the value as null. So if you want to initialize, whenever an object is being created, you want to initialize all the state variables at that particular time, we can use the parameterized constructor. So basically this was all about the default constructor, and in this code snippet you can also have a look about the default constructor. So in a very easy way, like अगर आपको समझना है default constructor होता क्या है, तो बस ये चीज़ समझो कि default constructor ऐसा constructor है that is automatically called whenever an object is being created. So it is invoked at the time of object creation. मतलब constructor एक ऐसी चीज़ है that is invoked at the time of ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएशन. तो अगर लाइक वो डिफ़ॉल्ट हो, अगर वो पैरामीटराइज्ड हो, अगर वो कॉपी कंस्ट्रक्टर हो, कंस्ट्रक्टर बस ऐसी चीज़ है कि जब भी हम लोग किसी भी क्लास का ऑब्जेक्ट बना रहे, दैट इज़ बीइंग कॉल्ड एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम. सो बेसिकली डिफ़ॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर इज समथिंग दैट डोंट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ पैरामीटर्स. यहाँ पे ये जो डिफ़ॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर बनता है इसमें कोई पैरामीटर्स होते नहीं है, ये एम्प्टी होता है, और इसमें हम लोग बस यहाँ पे सी आउट कर रहे हैं ताकि हमें पता चले कि यहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्टर जो है वो कॉल हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है. तो उसका आउटपुट यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि कंस्ट्रक्टर जो है वो कॉल होता है, उसके अंदर जाता है और कार ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएटेड या कुछ भी यहाँ पे तुम सी आउट में लिख दो वो यहाँ पे प्रिंट हो जाता है. सो बेसिकली डिफ़ॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर का इतना ही था. In the next video, we will try to look more into depth about the parameterized constructor, and then we would be going forward with the copy constructor. So, this was all about this video. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button. If you are someone who is new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And also, if you have any feedback or any comments regarding this series, please give it in the comment section. I will also try to attach the PDF from the very next videos, the link of the PDF, so that you can also have a look at all the notes till now and till the particular lecture. So, till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing. Bye all.